Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
Then he posted Vraj, the son of Anirudh, grandson of Lord Krishna, at Mathura as the king of Shurashan. Afterwards, Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir performed a Prajapatiya sacrifice and placed in himself the fire for quitting household life. Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir, after placing Maharaj Parikshit on the imperial throne of Hastinapura, and after posting Vraj, the great-grandson of Lord Krishna, as the king of Mathura, accepted the renounced order of life. The system of 4 orders of life and 4 castes in terms of quality and work, known as Varnashram Dham, is the beginning of real human life, and Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhir, as the protector of this system of human activities, timely retired from active life as a sannyasi, handing over the charge of the administration to a trained prince, Maharaj Parikshit. The scientific system of Varnashram Dham divides the human life into 4 divisions of occupation and 4 orders of life. The 4 orders of life as brahmachari, grihanprasth and sannyasi are to be followed by all, irrespective of the occupational division. Modern politicians do not wish to retire from active life, even if they are old enough, but Yudhiṣṭhir Maharaj, as an ideal king, voluntarily retired from active administrative life to prepare himself for the next life. Everyone's life must be so arranged that the last stage of life, say at least the last 15 to 20 years prior to death, can be absolutely devoted to the devotional service of the Lord to attain the highest perfection of life. It is really foolishness to engage oneself all the days of one's life in material enjoyment and fruitive activities, because as long as the mind remains absorbed in fruitive work for material enjoyment, there is no chance of getting out from conditioned life or material bondage. No one should follow the suicidal policy of neglecting one's supreme task of attaining the highest perfection of life, namely going back home, back to Godhead.